Do you want to film but you're all alone? Do you want to write but you're all alone? Do you want to film a short skit that you wrote? This is how I write my ideas before writing a script. In this video, I'll be explaining how I write my ideas and then write the script. And then at the end, I'll play the short skit from these writings for you to watch. So stay tuned until the end. So I like to start off with writing a web of either a bubble web or a spider web. It goes by either name. So what you do is you write what you're going to write in the middle of the paper and put a big bubble. And then you go and branch off with three more with characters. And then on the other side, you do location. And then in this one above it, I'll put plot. So what that is specifying is that when you're going forward, you're just making ideas. So let's start with the characters, right? So I know this is going to be superhero, so I'm going to put Batman down. But because I know I built my own Deathstroke outfit, I'm going to have to add Slade Wilson in here. Let's jump to locations. This is going to be outside. It's going to be like a daily routine of Slade Wilson, aka Deathstroke. So we'll do training outside, maybe working out. The next location we'll have is the bedroom. Here he can be waking up or changing into his outfit. The living room can be a cool shot of the whole bodysuit so you can see what it looks like. And then I'll probably do like at the family room or the kitchen to show when he gets the actual contract. So knowing that it's going to be a contract, I'm just going to put here just a picture of Batman, and then Slade Wilson, of course, with the reveal at the end will be Deathstroke. So let's get into the plot. Since it's a short skit, there's going to be 4 plots. So we know he's going to be training, so we'll put trains outside. The next one we're going to be focusing on for the story is putting on his gear, right? So you can get that cool reveal at the end. Then after that, we can probably wakes up with the knife, kind of showing, oh, he's dangerous. So we can begin it off like that, like, oh, who is this? Why does he have a weapon? Then last but not least, we got to show what the contract is and what it looks like and what it says on there. If you're liking what you're learning right now, please hit that like and subscribe button so I can continue making these cool little short skits along with how I get the ideas written down. So let's jump right into the script. So we're going to start off with the interior bedroom. Slade Wilson wakes up, pulls out his knife when he gets out of bed, and then he changes. And then we can go straight into the front yard where we can start showing him working out, getting all ready and buff and stuff. Then we can do the living room where he actually receives the contract. Then we can make it where he goes back to the bedroom and he starts putting on his gear, right? And then without revealing who he is yet, show the contract after that, and then you get the big reveal of, oh, it's Deathstroke. And then we can get that cool shot of pretty much Deathstroke's whole outfit when he's leaving. I did build this whole Deathstroke outfit on my own, and I'll be building more for Batman little short films. So keep an eye, make sure you subscribe so you can see more of what I have to show and more little short films and short skits. So let's jump right into the outcome of the script and watch this short skit. I hope you guys enjoyed that video as much as I enjoyed making it, where I was director, writer, actor, and editor of the video. If you want to see a horror one that I made, click on this video right here. And if you want to make a successful story and figure out how to make one better for your idea, click on this playlist right here. It's What is a Story Plot Art. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully you see you on my other videos.